Hello viewer, today I will make simple and easy waistcoat pattern. So see the measurement point. Size 34 inch 86 cm, chest 35 inch 89 cm, waist 33 inch 84 cm, back length 22 inch 56 cm, front length 26 inch 66 cm, hip 36 inch 91 cm, shoulder 14.5 inch 37 cm. So let's see how to draft waistcoat pattern. Like, share, comment on my drafting. Start waistcoat pattern making. Here I make a vertical line for center back, this shoulder line, half-inch seam margin. Here I make armhole deep, says 35 divided by 4, 8 3/4. Here I make waist position 15 inch. Here I make length 22 inch, half-inch seam margin. Armhole deep line, waistline, hip line. Here I make neck width, half neck width 3 inch. Three-quarter inch back neck deep. Back neck line. Here I make shoulder 14.5 inch, half 7/4 inch, half-inch seam margin. Shoulder slope 1 inch 2.5 cm. Here I make back shoulder line, half-inch in mark, back waist cut line, center back line, center back line, half-inch seam margin, half-inch seam margin, half-inch seam margin. Now here I make chest 35 divided by 4, 8 3/4 inch, half-inch seam margin. Waist 33 divided by 4, 8 1/4 inch, half-inch seam margin. Here I make hip 36 divided by 4, 9 inch, half-inch seam margin. Here I make back side line, 1.5 inch in mark for back armhole. Green line, back part drafting and cutting finish. Now here I make front part, center front line, front shoulder line, neck line, waist line, hip line. or neck width. Here I make shoulder width 14.5 inch half, 7/4 inch, half inch seam margin, 1 3/4 inch front shoulder slope, front shoulder line. Here I make front chest 35 divided by 4, 8 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch plus at chest area, front part, turn back to back side, half inch seam margin. Here I make waist 33 divided by 4, 8 10/4 inch, half inch dart deep, half inch seam allowance. 36 divided by 4, 9 inch and half inch dart deep, half inch seam margin. Front side line. Front armor line. Half inch seam margin. Here I make length 26 inch and half inch seam margin. Here I added 3/4 center front overlap and half inch seam margin. Front bottom line, center front B point. First button, second button, third button, fourth button, fifth button. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 5 center front button. V neckline. Here I make pocket. Hip pocket. From SPS 11 inch. Five-inch pocket opening. Four-inch chest pocket opening. Waistcoat front part draping finish. Now I start here cutting. Now here I make center front inside facing. Two-inch facing width at shoulder. 3-inch piecing with at center front. Waistcoat back part, waistcoat front part, waistcoat center front piecing part. Thanks for watching. Like and share.